Welcome back to Velf Creations. Today, we've got something for everyone. Whether you're into DTF printing, laser engraving, soldering electronics, or 3D printing with fumes, this video is for you. We're unboxing and reviewing the FumeClear FC-2004 Fume Extractor, a powerful solution to keep your workspace clean and safe. Let's unbox this thing. Inside the box, we've got the FC-2004 Fume Extractor, the user manual, some extra pre-filters, and a few accessories. Everything is well packaged and feels sturdy, which is always a good sign. The accessory pack includes the power cable, a really nice hose that allows you to position it anywhere over your workpiece, as well as a few attachments that you can add onto the end to help capture the smoke and fumes a bit better. First impressions? This thing looks sleek and professional. On the front, you've got the control panel with power and speed buttons, super easy to use. And on the back, there's just a power socket and an on-off switch. It's clean, simple, and well-designed. Now, let's take a look inside. The FC-2004 uses a 3-stage filtration system to ensure the air in your workspace stays clean. First up, we've got the pre-filter. This is the first line of defense, capturing larger particles like dust and debris. It's easy to remove and replace, and FumeClear even includes extra pre-filters in the box, which is a nice touch. Next, we've got the medium HEPA filter. This one captures smaller particles, down to microns in size, ensuring that even the tiniest pollutants are filtered out. And finally, we've got the activated carbon filter, which is designed to absorb harmful fumes and odors. Together, these filters provide 99.97% purification efficiency, which is impressive. Now, let's talk about the exhaust hose. This hose is ridged, which means you can bend and flex it to position it exactly where you need it. It also comes with a round cone-shaped tip, which is perfect for positioning the hose right at the exhaust of fully enclosed lasers. No need for adapters or reducers. This makes it super easy to use with a wide variety of machines. All right, let's fire this thing up. We placed it to the right of our laser engraving table and attached the hose by pushing it into the opening that is located on the top of the extractor. As you can tell, the hose is a great length. We don't have any dedicated fume extractors for our open lasers, so we will be using the FC-2004 with our CommMarker B4 fiber laser and our CommMarker Omni 1 UV laser. And as you can see, the hose stays exactly where we position it. No smoke or fumes escaping here. You are also able to place the hose at the exhaust port of any of your enclosed lasers like the X-Tool F1 and F1 Ultra. This makes it truly universal, and you can easily move it from one laser to another if you are running a single fume extractor. Side note, jigs can be very helpful when using a laser engraver, and we just received this really sweet jig maker from Eugene over at Banks Creative Shop on Etsy. This is a sneak peek at our upcoming video where we will go over different ways and products to position your items that you're engraving. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. The FumeClear extractor also includes a remote allowing you to turn it on and set the speed of the fan. For this video, we will leave it at level 2. Wood engraving creates a lot of smoke, but the FC-2004 handles it like a champ. And check this out. Even with the lid of the F1 Ultra all the way up, there's no smoke escaping. It's doing an amazing job keeping the air clean. Next up, we're trying slate on the CommMarker B4. This material is known for creating a lot of dust, especially when doing really deep engravings or embossing. Since our 60 watt is so powerful, it really knocks out that stone quickly, so having good filtration really helps to keep the dust down. The extractor is doing a great job, but it's a bit hard to see the dust on camera. However, it's working perfectly. And for those deep embossing projects, this should handle it without any issues. While this slate is engraving, we'd like to take a moment to say a huge thank you to our wonderful subscribers. The growth we've seen. Thanks again for being part of the Velf Creations family. Your support means the world to us. All right, now back to the extractor. Let's try something that generates a bit more smoke. Leather can create a lot, especially when cutting, but the FC-2004 has no problem keeping up. The great thing is that the FC-2004 has a larger fan than any of our other extractors, so you can run it at a much lower speed to achieve the same extraction capability. We will continue to use this fume extractor in the coming months, so we get a long-term idea of its performance and filter life. Stay tuned for a short with updates about that. We also tried some other materials like brass and some deep glass engravings with the COM Marker Omni one, and at level 2, the FC-2004 performed flawlessly. Alright, that's it for our overview of the FumeClear FC-2004 fume extractor. We're really impressed with its performance, ease of